you ever need to remember the important details of a phone conversation? And what about those random encounters that you occasionally have with your customers? In ACT, you can take notes to capture this information on the spot so that it never slips your mind again. Here's how to view, create, and edit notes for your contacts or other records in ACT. From the detail view for a contact record, click the Notes tab down below. ACT will list all the notes that you have associated with this contact, and by default, the most recent note is listed first. Details include the date and time of a note, details of the note, attachments if any, privacy indicators, record managers, and any groups or companies or opportunities that share this note. You can use the Customize Columns feature to add, remove, or reorder the columns that you see in the Notes tab. There are several ways to create a note for a contact. You can click the Note button at the top of the screen in the global toolbar, or you can go to the Contact Actions dropdown and choose New Note. There's even a convenient Insert Note button within the tab itself. Once you click on any of these options, the Notes window will appear. At the top, you can choose to make this note private, meaning it's only visible to you and editable by you. The current contact that you're viewing will appear by default, but you can edit this with the dropdown or using the Add Find Contacts area beneath that. From here, you can search for specific contact records who should also have this note. You can also share this note with other types of records, like companies, groups, and opportunities. This allows other users who have permissions to view those entities to see this note on the Notes tab of those records. To add or remove any shared record entities, use the arrow button to expand this sharing section, and then use the View dropdown to switch between groups, companies, and opportunities. Add records to the right column to share this note with them. Remove records from the right column to remove the sharing of this note with those associations. Within the note itself, ACT is going to, by default, populate the date and time fields to the current date and time. But you can edit this if, for example, you need to predate a note. The Details area is where you'll write the body of the note, and you can use formatting tools to change the look and style of it. You can also copy and paste text from somewhere else into this box. Use the Add Attachment button at the bottom if you need to add any file attachments to the note. And then the Record Manager dropdown defaults to your ACT user ID. This represents who owns the note record. Don't forget to click Save to make this note appear on the Notes tab for all contacts for whom this note is created. The Preview panel on the right is useful if you have lots of text in your Notes detail box. You can choose to view or hide the preview by checking or unchecking this box. Notice that since this contact is also associated with a company, I can go to the Company Detail view to see that this note also appears on the Company's Notes tab as well. To edit a note, simply click the Edit icon button on the left to open it. From here, make any changes that you need, and then click Save. ACT will ask you if you want to save changes for all contacts and record types for this note, or if you want to save these changes as a new note, leaving all the previous other ones unaffected. You can click the Trash Can icon button to delete a note, but if you delete a note, it will also be deleted from other contacts and other records with whom it was shared.